I live in a two-bedroom flat in London with my best friend. It's an expensive place to live, but I'm very happy here. London is the capital of England and the UK. It's a huge city with a long history and many famous tourist attractions. Millions of tourists visit London every year. People also come here to work and study. When tourists visit, the first thing they want to see is usually Big Ben, the famous clock tower near the Houses of Parliament. Then they go to Buckingham Palace, the home of the King or Queen of the United Kingdom. The River Thames goes through the centre of the city. Next to the river, you can see famous places like Tower Bridge, the Tate Modern, and the London Eye. London has some of the best galleries and museums in the world. My favourite places to visit are the British Museum and the Tate Modern Gallery. They are both free to enter. If you like shopping, London is the perfect city for you. On Bond Street, there are shops that sell expensive luxury products, and in Camden Town and Notting Hill, there are colourful markets. You can find all the famous high street brands on Oxford Street. The nightlife in London is excellent. In the West End, there are lots of theatres and cinemas. There are often concerts and festivals in the city as well. London is a good place to live if you like eating food from different countries. You can have fish and chips today, curry tomorrow, and Chinese food the day after. There are also hundreds of nice pubs around the city where you can get something good to eat and drink. I think the public transport in London is very good, especially the Tube. The Tube is the nickname for London's underground train system. I get the Tube to work each day, and I travel home by bus. Living in London is great, but at the weekends I sometimes go to the countryside for a break. I'm lucky to live in an area of the city that has everything I need: shops, a supermarket, a gym, and a pharmacy. There is a tube station just 5 minutes from my flat.